Hi everyone, I'm so happy that you can join me. This tutorial will help you learn how to use Seesaw. First, I want to show you how to favorite Seesaw so it shows up at the top of the list of apps. So right now, if you click on District Core Curriculum or you scroll down, you'll see it's this bow tie. Did you see what happened when I hovered my cursor over it? Look. If I put it in the corner, you'll see a heart. You want to press the heart. Then what it does is it moves it all the way up to the top to the favorite resources. So now it's in both places, and that makes it so much easier for you. So now I'm on my Seesaw student dashboard, and the first thing that I want to do when I log into Seesaw in the morning is I want to look at my inbox. If I see a little red bubble there, that means I have new messages and I should check. They might be from the principal, they might be from my teacher. So I always want to check the class announcements. So I see there are some links here. I might need to take a look at the link. So step 2, after I've checked my messages, then I'm going to go to my activities folder. And again, if there's a red bubble there with a number, that tells you how many activities there are for you to do. And you'll notice that there are 3 different categories in the activities folder. There are the activities that I haven't started yet to do. In progress means I started them, but then I saved a draft and I still need to finish them. And then everything that's been completed and the teacher has already looked at it. So I'm going to start with my to-do folder to see if there's something new. And I see that this is new. So I'm going to go ahead and open the activity, and I do that by pressing Add Response. I want to view the full instructions, so I'm going to click right at the top. So it says all about the letter, and it says I am going to choose a letter to teach everyone about. So I can read all of these instructions, but if you see a little gray oval with a little arrow in it, says play instructions, that means your teacher recorded a message and you can listen to the instructions instead of reading them. So that's always a nice option. Okay, so I'm going to use this opportunity instead of following the directions to show you some of the tools. So first of all, the directions did say I should write the letter that I want to teach about, and I'm going to start with the letter D. So I use the little pen tool at the bottom. And what's neat is that I can change the color of my pen. There's a little eraser at the bottom here if I want to go ahead and erase it and start all over again. I could also choose the pencil. I can choose a marker if I want to. And with the marker, there's different thicknesses as well. I'm going to change it to purple. There we go. And then my name is Darcy. So I'm going to go ahead and write that. And on Chromebooks, they're touch screen, so I can use my finger and I can write exactly on the screen using my finger. If I wanted to practice typing, I could click the T, and that would give me a little box, and I can find the letter on the keyboard, and I could practice typing too if I wanted to. So for the typed text boxes, you can move those around. When you click on them and the little dots show up on the corners, you can move them around to different areas of the screen. You can also change the size if you wanted to. You could stretch them out or make them smaller. All right, some of the other tools that you have are that you can make an audio recording if you click the little microphone. I could also insert a photo if I wanted to. And if I click photo, there's the camera. I could upload a picture if I had one on my computer. I can also take a video, and you can record a video of up to 5 minutes within Seesaw. Some of the other tools that you have are shapes. So I could include some shapes here. And just like all of the other Seesaw drawing tools, I can change the color of the shape. I can change the size of the shape. There are some different backgrounds that I could change. So if I wanted to, I could change around what my teacher put on the page. And if for some reason I wanted to link something like another video or a website I wanted my teacher to look at, I could also link something there too. So those are all of your main options. At the bottom, there's a little quotation mark. If you click on that, that's a caption. So just like your teacher can leave you voice directions for your assignments, you can leave a voice narrative of what it is that you created. And one thing to be very careful about is from time to time, maybe saving a draft of your work. If you worked really hard, and maybe you want to just take a break and step away for a couple minutes, you might want to save a draft. So you find that in the upper right corner, click draft. And that saves it. So this word here, that's draft. And to get back to my activity, I could open it here, but I can also find it in the activities folder. It's in to do, and it tells me I need to finish it. But it's also going to be in progress. So it's nice. There are different places that I can find it. So I'm going to click Finish Response. And see, it just saved everything the way I left it. And now I can continue because I see there are 5 different pages here. So when you see those little thumbnails, the little pictures on the side, you want to make sure you click and complete every single one. All right. So, I can't see that. Move that to a darker letter, capital letter D, lowercase d. You know what? I'm going to save a draft just to show that I can do this multiple times to save my work. And I'm going to go back. Whoops, I need to click edit, that little pencil. So I need to click edit. And again, it saved my work on the second page. I can go on to the next page. Now, when you're all done with your work, click the green check. And you'll notice now there's a little green banner that says waiting for teacher approval. That means my teacher is going to take a look at it. And after my teacher takes a look at it, I might see under the comment bubble, I might see that my teacher made some comments. Sometimes they're typed. You might also be able to listen to them. And you can send a message back to your teacher too. Now, notice in activities, it's not in to do anymore. And it's not in progress anymore. So it is done for now. But if you wanted to make a new copy, you could click respond again, and you can start from scratch and do the whole activity over again if you thought that you could improve on it. So now I'd like to show you how to create your own post. And this is useful if you need to send your teacher a message, or if you're bored and you want something to do. How you create a post is on the Journal tab. You click the plus add. And it's going to ask you what tool you want to use. If you want to send your teacher a drawing or write a note, then you can click on the drawing tool. If you want to send your teacher a picture of something that you made on paper or something that you built, you could take a photo. You could also take a video and explain what it is that you made. And remember, when you're using the drawing tool, you can do a combination of all of those things because you have both the camera and the video tool available in the drawing canvas. And this is a really nice way to send your teacher a note.